Hi, welcome to Rain on Your Parade. It's a new game that we're going to play. Hopefully you like it. Maybe if you do, like and subscribe. And we'll just get into this. Why is this person playing up? Can you not push that start button, please? Now, this is the first time I'm using my voice in videos, so don't judge, please. Thank you. Grandpa, tell me a story. A story? Have I told you about the cloud I met once? That sounds boring. Oh, trust me, clouds are never boring. A cloud can fly wherever it wants. It can rain on anything. When you grow up, you'll understand the joy of messing with other people's stuff. Alright, so what's this cloud do? Let me put my glasses on. Once upon a time, there was a small cloud with a big dream. To find a place of old folk tales where the clouds can roam free. And rain on anything they want at any time. So he packed his bags, whatever bags the cloud might have, and so we're set on a world-trotting journey to find the mystical, the fabled, the legendary Seattle. Oh, Seattle? Oh, okay. Okay, what do I have to do? Oh, soak bride and groom, and soak all humans. Fair enough. There's the bride. That's easy. The grooms understand. I'll just get these people because it's fun. And it's a challenge. Oh! Another challenge, knock all chairs. First challenge done. Chairs! Who's knocking over all the chairs? That's kind of rude. Let's just find a person. There we go. Oh. Did not mean to do that. Guess we're doing this again. I'll just do this quick. Bride, people, more people, room, people, chairs, people. Chairs done, people. Where's this last person? Just gonna soak everyone. Oh, actually. Oh, okay. And that's the first level done. Next, what's this? Ooh, city level. That might be good. Cloudy! Cloudy! Help! I might just be a dumpster, but these humans keep setting me on fire! Can you please put out the fires and teach them a lesson? I return and promise to take some cool photos in the action in the photo mode. Check out the prompt on your screen when it appears. Okay, put out all fires, so all humans. Fair enough. I'll put you out first. Dumpster. God, this fire's spreading a lot. Okay, about photo mode right now. I'm a firefighter cloud. Yes, I have very good humor. Oh, you know, thank you. I haven't even said humans yet. As soon as I say that, I say humans. Why did I go right? That was simple enough. Guess I got his revenge. Okay, what's next? Looks like a CSGO match. Oh, who's that I see? A young cloud? Who am I? Why, I am Papa Cloud. A cloud as old as time. Yes, when I was there when the first memes were invented. Oh, those silly badgers. I hope you listen to my words of wisdom. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. How does a cloud wear a hat, you might wonder? Why, simply by entering the cloud house. Go on, give it a try. Okay. Customized cloud, that's good. Oh, this is fancy. Can I sell stuff? I think I can. Ah, I can't put out the fire. I can't sell the stuff. Face. Alright, I can pick my own face, that's good. Over here, decor. Top out. Top out, yes. Colours. Ooh, orange. Yeah, orange. Face. I might not mess with the face for now. Seems simple enough. Oh. I guess there's no face. I'm gonna have to paint him a face. Just give me a minute. So, this is my creation. It's pretty good, I would say. Not an artist's work, but it looks good. Okay, let's continue. That did take me like an hour. Not gonna lie. For this. Ooh, look. CSGO, I'm pretty sure. Is that a reference, or is it just a random map? It's CSGO. Oh, sorry, the dust. I'll get these guys. It's not that hard. How long does this bomb thing take? Okay, I think it's gonna speed up. It's speeding up in beats. It's speeding up in beats. Okay, it's not gonna take too long now. I got a strategy. Okay, maybe I don't have a strategy. I am failing a bit. The health's still high. I'm fine. The health's still high. I'm fine. Why are there so many guys going for this one bomb? Isn't it like 5 people? Actually, no, it's CSGO 2. The other version is 5v5. Stop defeating the bomb. There we go. That was a big explosion for a tiny bomb like that. Now, let's do this level. What's this? It looks like the beach. It is the beach. So-called humans and avoid the sun. Oh, sun's angry. Sun's angry. Oh, I got a fan. Yes. At least I'm loved. The sun's a bit angry at them though. Sun, leave me alone. I'm just trying to soak people. They're at the beach anyway. They're gonna get soaked anyway. Sun, I'm sorry I have to soak you. Fan, I love you. You're my friend. There's another person. Where's this last guy? Oh my god, he blended into the sand. Ha, son, you did not get me. Ha ha. Okay, I'm a bit childish, but don't even say it. Okay, but I think that's enough for today. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to end the episode here. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.